Hey guys, Hoagie1685 back here. Thought I'd do a little video of a quick oil change on my truck. Show you what kind of oil I use and filters. And we're going to do a fuel filter as well. So here we go. Hey guys, so for my truck I like to use the Rotella T oil 1540. As you can see here, I usually buy it in the big 5-gallon pails. They come on sale at Canadian Tire, so I buy those. My truck takes 11.4 liters, so it's pretty simple. So I always decant the pail into my jugs here, got it all measured out, and fill the filter up, and it's simple. The filters I use, I get them from my local Peterbilt dealership. I get the BT 7349 oil filter. I think it's around like 10 bucks or something like that. It's pretty cheap considering if you went to the dealer it'd be a lot more. Fuel filters, Baldwin PF 7977. Again, my local Peterbilt dealer, and I get those for about 13 bucks. I have another video on changing my fuel filter if you want to watch that. That's more in depth. We're just going to run through it here and do the changes. Yeah. Look at that black gold. Oh, you gotta love owning a diesel. So the oil filter's right up in between the frame and the engine here. It's a lot easier on a hoist than it is laying on the ground, I'll tell you that. If I get on it, yep. If I do it nice and easy, we won't make a mess.
Want me to move the bucket or no?
I think it'll be good.
You probably still make a mess. You always do.
Maybe on a GM.
GM puts all their oil filters sideways.
Dodge did something right, eh?
Yeah, but
Look at that, not a drip.
the new 6.7s are sideways. Way up top.
Okay, now we're just gonna fill the filter up. You can get away with that on these Dodges because they're nice straight up and down. Takes roughly about a liter.
So GM, in their infinite wisdom, they put their oil filters sideways on their diesels instead of up and down. So you can't do that. But on Dodges you can.
Make sure to lube your O-ring here. Look at that gold.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
So we're just gonna open up the drain valve on the fuel filter canister, and then we're gonna change filter. And inch and an eighth socket. There we go. That's about right. Make sure you shut that the little valve here so the canister doesn't drain out again when you fire up your truck. There we go. Okay guys, that's how I change my oil and what I use. And make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks again for Shifted Interest for letting me use their shop. And yeah, have a good day.